From the perovskite solar cells I built during my PhD in university and industry labs to your home table and garage for just $30. It actually works. 0.7 volts in real tests. Everything you need. FTO glass for $7. TiO₂ paste 5, methylammonium iodide 10, lead iodide 9, solvent 5, carbon paint 3, USB drill 6, and Toluene 5. Total under $40. Links in the video description. Grab them. Safety first. Tiny bit of lead iodide, less than 50 milligrams. Gloves and glasses on. Work outside or by an open window. No snacks nearby. Wash up after. Not for kids under 14 alone, under 18 or unsure, just wash and geek out. Full guide below. Watch this. The yellow solution hits the anti-solvent and boom. That moment the perovskite crystallizes into a perfect black mirror. You know it worked. No $10,000 glove box required, just pure science magic. Proof: 0.73 volts open circuit, 2 to 3 milliamps per square centimeter in direct sun, lab grade hits 0.9 plus, this home DVI 0.73. Measured on my $10 multimeter, real data, no filters. PhD-Tested. No fancy spin coater, just chuck your slide in the $6 USB drill. Tape it tight, hit a spin for 20 seconds. Works perfectly. Pro lab trick turned hobbyist hack. Who's got a drill in their garage? Build it yourself, then tag me on X. The best ones, I'll feature them in the next video. Show me your solar cell. Use hashtag DIY perovskite. Let's make science social. Coming next month. Wire up 4 cells into a panel that charges your phone for real, plus 100% lead-free tin recipe. Subscribe and hit that bell. You won't miss bringing lab breakthroughs home.